Creeper Goes 143 here today, and in this video I'm going to be having popcorn. So I'm going to see how long it takes me to eat this whole bucket of popcorn. 3, 2, 1, go. How much I have to make it so you can see. My hands are warm because I'm not so bad my phone. So it's been an hour and a half. If you guys want to want me to do some more challenges, stay in the comments below. But if you want me to do challenges, I can't do them with Skype being around because he's away. So make sure you check out this channel too. Check out the Game Chaser 1's channel. He's good. Formats. I'm going to cut ahead to the bar when I finish. But I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back, and I've ate it all. Yay, I've ate it all. And the time was 7 minutes and 49 seconds. So I think that is good. I'm not going to put this away because I'm going to use it sometime in the future. So that's the end of this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, comment for more challenges, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.